Hello, in this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can connect WhatsApp to N8N. So first, you will have to connect it to N8N using a third-party API provider. Since N8N does not support native WhatsApp integration, so you will need to use services like Twilio, 360 Dialog, or Ultra Message. So you will start by creating an account on your chosen provider. Then you will have to copy your API token and WhatsApp number ID. And in N8N, you will have to create a new workflow, and you will have to add an HTTP request node. So you will go ahead and click that. And then for the method, you will choose post and then enter the endpoint provider by the WhatsApp API service. Under the headers, you will go ahead and include your API key. And in the body, you will have to define to type and message text or template as JSON. You can trigger the flow with a webhook, Telegram input, or scheduler. Click execute node so that you will be able to test it and activate when working. And that's basically it. If you like this video, please make sure to like and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching. Have a good day.